So welcome all. We have already started our fifth lesson, that is decimal fractions. So we have also seen the multiplication of related to this lesson. So the next part of this lesson is the division part, division of the decimal fraction. Now you will be thinking how we are supposed to divide a decimal number. So just focus over here so that you will understand more better. So 4.8 divided by 2. How we are going to solve this? We are going to use the tricks which you are already knowing them. Just see how we are going to implement over here. So the first question is 4.8 divided by 2. This is a decimal number. I am going to convert this into a decimal fraction. How we are doing it? 4.8. So I am going to write 48 as it is. I am going to convert into decimal fraction. Somewhere about numerator and denominator. I got my numerator. What will be the denominator? After decimal point there is one number. So 1 and there will be only 1 0. Okay? One decimal point is only one number after that. That's why here only 1 0. So 4.8 I have converted like this. This division I am going to write as it is. This much part is okay. Now focus on the next step. I have already told you in a particularly the lesson which was earlier, that is operation on fractions. I have told you one thing, when there is a division, it is going to get converted into multiplication. Only the thing is we are going to find out the reciprocal of it. We are going to write the reciprocal of it. We are going to write down the multiplicative inverse. So this 48 upon 10 I am going to give as it is. This division will get converted into multiplication and this number will become 1 upon 2. What I did? This 2 which was on the numerator part I have taken down to the denominator. I have written the reciprocal of this number which we have already done in our earlier lesson. So now 48 into 1 I am going to write as it is and 10 into 2. 48 ones are 48, 10 twos are 20. I want my answer in a decimal number. This is not my answer. This is not a decimal fraction because here it is 20. What are decimal fractions? The fractions which denominators are 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. So that they are supposed to say as decimal fraction. Is this a decimal fraction? No, it is not. So what I will do now? Yes. 20 I can convert into such a number so that I will get here a decimal fraction. For example 20, the near number to 20 is which one? It will be 10 or it will be 100. If we are going to take 10, I am supposed to divide this 20. If I am going to take 100, I am going to multiply this 20. So what we will do? We will multiply the denominator with 5. Why? Because 25 is 100. So 25 is 100 and 48 5s are. 48 5s is 240. Okay. So now 240 upon 100 it is a decimal fraction. So I can easily convert it into a decimal number. That is numerator I am going to write as it is, that is 240. How many zeros are present here? 2 zeros. So I will give point after two numbers 1 and 2. So I am going to give point over here. So this answer started from here, got ended over here. So what I have did, just pay attention properly. 4.8 I have converted into decimal fraction. This division I have written as it is, 2 was carried down. Now 48 upon 10 again I have written as it is. Division I converted into multiplication because we are knowing this earlier rule which we have studied in earlier lesson. And this 2 I have did the reciprocal, that is 1 upon 2. Okay. So now 48 into 1 I have written and 10 into 2 I have written over here. 48 ones are 48, 10 twos are 20. Now 20 is not a decimal fraction or 20 is not what is the answer I expected. So I have converted this 20 into 100. How I have converted? I have multiplied both the sides by 5. 20 5 is 100 and 48 5 is 240. 240 upon 100 I have written down the numerator as it is. Here were 2 zeros, so I have given the point after two numbers. So my answer is 2.40. So you can write over here, the answer is 2.40. Okay, so we will see now the next number, next problem, that is 17.5 divided by 5. Again I will do the same thing. What I am supposed to do? 17.5. So I will write 175 upon which number? Now you can see after decimal point only one number is there. So 10, that is 10. Divided by as it is I will write 5. Okay. So now see the next part. 175 upon 10 I will keep as it is. This division will get converted into multiplication and 5 will be converted into 1 upon 5. Now 175 into 1 and 10 into 5, because there is multiplication relation, that's why 175 multiplied by 1 and 10 into 5. I have written it. 175 into 1 is 175 as it is. 10 into 5 is how much? 50. Okay. So now 175 and 50. 50 is not my decimal fraction, or 175 upon 50 is not my decimal fraction. So I am going to convert this into decimal fraction by multiplying into 2. Why? Because 50 2 is 100. So here we will get 100, and 175 2 is how much? 175 2 is 350. So I am going to write 350 over here. Now I have got the answer over here, that is 350 upon 100. So 350 I am going to write as it is. Two zeros are here, so I will leave 2 decimal point, that is 1, 2, and I am going to write here 1. So my answer is 3.50. I am going to write 3. Is this clear? Okay. So we will focus on the next question, that is 20.6 divided by 2. 206 upon 10. I have converted this decimal number into decimal fraction. Why 10? Because after decimal only one number is there, so 1 0. If there were two numbers, 2 zeros. Divided by 2. 206 upon 10 I have written as it is. Divided by 2 I will write as multiplication, and 1 upon 2. Again 206 into 1 and 10 into 2, which is given here. That is 206 upon 20. Now 20 is not my decimal number. 20 is not a decimal fraction. So what I will do, I will multiply both the sides by which number to get 100. Why? Because 100 is the near to it. That's why it will be 20 into 5 is how much? 100. And 206 into 5 will be how much? Just check. 1030. Okay, so here 1030 I am going to write as it is. On the top, 2 numbers, 2 zeros, so decimal after 2 zeros. Okay, we will see the next part now. Okay, so now fill in the blanks. They are given something over near the board. We are going to solve them. If 317 into 45 is 14265, that is 14,265, then 3.17 into 4.5 will be how much? If you have seen, this number and this number is same, only the difference is of decimal point. 45 same, only the difference is decimal point 5. Decimal over here. So now what we will do, we will write the number as it is, which is given over there. That is 14265, because the multiplication will be same. If you have observed, when we were doing the multiplication, there was no change of the numbers when there is a decimal point. Only the problem occurs when we are going to give the point. So now focus, the answer is same here. Both the side the answer will be same. Now this is decimal point, so we are supposed to give the decimal point also. If you observe clearly, after decimal point, how many numbers are here on the left hand side? So right hand side 2. And over here how much? Only 1. So this 2 plus 1 will be how much? 3 numbers. So we are going to give point after 3 numbers, that is 1, 2, 3. And we are going to give point over here. So that will be the answer. Okay. 605 into 101 is 61105. If you observe this number, it is same as 605. Only the thing is decimal point is added. 101, 101. Only decimal point is added. So the answer will be same, 61105. Now here there are decimal points. So in the main answer also there will be decimal points. After 2 numbers there is a decimal point. So 2. And after 1 number there is a decimal point. So 1. So this 2 plus 1, that will be 3. So 3 numbers you will leave and we are going to give the decimal point. So 1, 2, 3. So point will come over here. Have you understood this? Okay. So now we will see the last part of this lesson is show the decimal numbers on the number line, and they have given you few numbers. If you observe this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is specified. The middle which are drawn by the black color are the, if you see the division, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each are divided properly. Now These small lines, you can see like this only division is given on the scale. From 0 to 1 there are 10 divisions. From 1 to 2 there are 10 divisions. From 2 to 3 there are 10 divisions, and from 3 to 4 there are 10 divisions. So how we are going to specify the numbers? See over here. First number they have told us to find, that is 0.5. How we are going to write 0.5? Just count from here. You can see 0 and 1. The middle number will be 0.5. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. So this is it, 0.5. The next number is 3.8. So obviously it will be somewhere about near to 3. So we will start from here. 3.8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 3.8. Next is 2.5. See after 2, 2 is here. 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5. And 3.2. 3, 3.1, 3. So you can take any examples of your own mind and you can try to solve this. Here the lesson is over. The next part of the lesson, the next lesson is bar graph. But right now, here there are no possibilities for me to show it. I will try for some new method to show. So we will start for the next lesson after it, that is the symmetry. Okay? Thank you.